Hi dear students, thank you very much joining our this course link building. In this chapter I will discuss you about the analyzing quality of link, because we are going to make links, and it is important to for us we analyze the equality of links, whereas we going to take links for our website. So must we check the links is relevance about our topic, it's relate to our websites, how relate, and what thing is important for our us. We check domain authority, page authority, page spam, relevancy. These few steps we must check. After that we go to find out and approach that outreach that websites owners to link building. And link building strategies we follow. What is the strategies? That's how to analyze quality of links. Most important things which can help us to improve our website is the quality link. There are many links available. We can easily take links for our website, but must we take quality and relevance link, and it is important. Link building project with SEO, you must be sure you are pursuing link that will not only have impact today but will continue to positive impact in your futures. You must not temporarily thanks just for one day. Link building is the long term, and it is help your website, your brand to improve, and also its impact in futures. If you take links from any websites who may be not live after 6 months or 1 month or 1 years, they impact your websites, redank re-rank your website if you take such kinds, and it's if they have a score is more than spams, so that impact your website. That mean understanding what make a quality links and why. Let's take a look at the element and link analyzing. There are link building. I measure three things is very important for link building. According to our study, I find out three things very important. There are many things, but most I found three is very important for link building: relevance, link type, quality. These three things, when are you going to building a links, so must keep mind these three things is very important for you. Relevance according to your keywords, your area, your brand. Link type, what kind of link type are you getting? And domain authority, which domains you are going to take links, what is the authority, how can check the domain authority. Let's check relevance. Relevance is a link which will it best super quality and worst negative impact in SEO affect potentially results. The relevancy is very important, and it's give potential result in your website. It is the very good. If we talking about the relevancy, so we how give in real life the examples of, if I'm selling vegetable selling shop, I have different vegetables. So someone want to buy some product like any vegetables, potato, tomato, from my shop. I don't have that, and I don't have more quality. The customer demand other qualities, they have in potato different qualities, so I don't have that quality. So some else have this quality, so I can refer that for to other that shop that is the relevance. Some other shop who have that quality of potatoes, I refer the customer to that shop that give relevance. So if are you selling e-commerce in the vegetables, so you link any other websites related to your niche, your domain, your brand, it's give relevance. Suppose I am running consultancy, I give you other example, consultants. So some else come for training purpose, so for me, so I refer from the that who give the training such kinds of brands, so I refer that person, it's the relevance. The link types. Link type is the second consideration when analyzing a link. It this means both the way link formed and manner which are linking both, which make difference in quality. The link type, what kind of links we take from the website. There are types of link. Anchor text link. Anchor text links when someone click any name, and also it's through hypertext we uh, attach our link of website, then someone click on the link, it automatically open in our website. Naked links, also you can say completely website link one. Citation links, image link, short URL link. These are type of links. Mostly we take uh, making the backlinks, we take anchor text links, image text links. Most of backlinking both are working, both are important, but other also can, but mostly the website owners provide such kind of links. Authority, when come to domain authority, authority is the next matrix you need to measure in order to determine link quality. It is the important. You take the measure of domain authority. If I am taking from link that website is give authority our website, it can value our website. This was our value the past often being placed above relevance, also that relevance. In today link building world, quality, authority is still important link matrix. However, if link isn't relevance, it is the important domain authority give value of very important for making link building. I also guide you do follow and no follow links. They measure also. In next lecture I guide you the no follow links not share equality to your websites, and do follow share equality to websites. The most important things we take from link building, so must take do follow links. Few percent we can take no follow links. Authority, how check the domain authority. There are few websites I took in domain authority. The domain authority one website showing the 32, other domain authority and page authority. Out of 100, 35 domain authority, page authority 42 out of 100, and some other website domain authority 89. The domain authority from 1 to 100, and page authority also start from 1 to 100. Authority is the next matrix you need relevancy. Here is example of website. A website taking link from B website and C websites. Check there is relevance. Must one thing keep in mind, the computer teacher institute of modern technology taking link from admission BS program B, and other website is the educational institutes. The A website taking link from B and C, they are also related. The educational website admission also related to education to give students admits. They both are 11s. Just give value of websites. Let's check of DAP of websites. Here is examples. If we taking from B website, domain authority 35 and page authority 38. And if we talk about C website, there's we going to take the links that DA 12 and PA 15. It is we talk which website give more value for our website. Exactly B, because B have 35 domain authority. If we compare it, the C websites it's 12. The B give more value our websites when we taking backlink from that. Then compare it, but we cannot ignore that could not give us value, but it can give us value, not so much as compared to with the domain authority is the higher than the website C. Social media signals. What is the social media? The social media signals also important for website ranking. It's also factor, but the social medias mostly come do follow links. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, other social media platform, Instagram, they provide do follow links. It is not share equality for website. They don't share. There are thousands, more than thousands of websites linked to different social media. Therefore, they don't share their website equality to our websites. They provide us no follow links, but they can give some social impacts. These call in the search engine optimization social shares. It gives some value our websites to share, approach some customers who want to get engaged in our websites. Let's check how check domain authority and page authority. There is many websites who can with help of that can check the domain authority and page authority. I check it SemalSEOtool.com. I check one website admission.com. Let's check the admission.com result. The domain authority is 9 and page authority is 33 and Moz ranking is the 2.3. And other website is NewYorkTimes.com. Domain authority is 95 and page authority is 86 and Moz ranking is 8.7. These are the main things how can check in the domain authority and page authority. In next lecture, upcoming lectures, I will guide you how can check the domain authority, page authority, and how find out the which website useful for our domains, how can find that. Thank you very much. See you in next lecture.